Okay, guys, I'm gonna show you how to compute the inverse, reduce row echelon form, row echelon form, the determinant, and what is the other one? What I'm missing? Well, like while I explain to you, I will remember. So first of all, let me share my screen with you so you can see how you can compute this in the calculator. So make your life easier. Let's see. Where's that stuff? Okay. So for example, if I want to, let's say, if I want to solve system of equations, right? Usually I have to use Gauss-Jordan, right? So to avoid Gauss-Jordan, you can use your calculator. So you press second matrix, you go where it says edit because you need to change the format of these dimensions. So when you're solving system of equations, you have usually 4 columns, 3 rows, right? So I need to fix this. So now I have 7. Let's say this is the system of equations. This is the value of x for the first equation, 7, the value of y for the first equation, the value of c for the first equation. Then on the right side, that means this is what I'm going to put the values on the right side, right? So 21, let's say. And then here I put 0 for x, 3 for y, -1 for c in the second equation. So here I'm going to put 5 on the right side, right? And then you put -3, 4, -2, and on the right side, I'm gonna put -1, okay? So that's how you do that. Now, let's say I want to find reduced row echelon form. It means I want the answer right away. That's what I'm looking for, right? So you press second, let's quit here, second matrix, then you go, what it says math, and you go rref. What that means, reduce row echelon form. So you click on that, and you press second again, matrix, you click where it says, for the first option, where you see A, and then you close the parentheses, and that will give you reduced row echelon form, or in other words, your answers right away. That's it. That's how you do it. Let me do that one more time, just in case you didn't get it. Let's clear this up. So I want reduce row echelon form of that matrix, right? I go second, matrix, math, this one, right? Reduce row echelon form. You click on that, you press again second, matrix, you click on A, and then you close it, right? And you get answer right away. So that's the answer for this. So x equals 3, y equals 1, c equals -2. That's how you do it. Let's assume that I don't want reduced row echelon form. Let's assume that I just want row echelon form. How you do that? So you press, let me clear this up. Then you press second, matrix, math, and you click where it says row echelon form, right? REF. So you click on that. Then you press second, matrix. You go to, you click the first option, which is A already, and then you close the parentheses. And that would be your answer. But since you have that ugly decimal there, right, and you want everything to see it through, right, you don't want to keep clicking to the right. So you press math and you press fraction. And then you press enter one more time, and that will give you row echelon form. As you can see, you have the ones of the diagonal, and you have this in upper triangular, right, matrix. So this is row echelon form. Okay. Now, let's assume that I want to calculate the determinant, right? So I go second, matrix, and let me fix my matrix A, right? Because my matrix A, I want to be, it has to be a 3 by 3, right? When we calculate in the determinant, it has to be a square matrix. Square matrix means same rows, same columns, or 3 by 3. So I press edit. I'm gonna press 3 by 3. That means I no longer have the right side. So I have 7, 2, 1, and this thing, right? So this is my matrix. So now, if I want to compute the determinant, again, you press second, quit, clear this up, second matrix, you press math, determinant, the first one, it says DET, that means determinant. And then you press second matrix, you click on the first one, you close the parentheses, and that will give you the determinant right away. Wow, that's it. Let me do that one more time, just in case you didn't get it. Second matrix, math, the first option, which is determinant, click on that, then second, matrix, choose the first option, close the parentheses, and that will give you the determinant. Now, let's say I want to compute the inverse. That's the annoying one, right? That's the one that takes forever. So you clear this up first. You press second matrix. You press math. Oh, actually, for this one, it's simpler than that. Look, I'm sorry about that. Let's clear this up. So for this one, you press second matrix. You click on that matrix A, and you just put this hat, right? That this means to the power of. So you put -1, and you get your inverse. That's it. That's the answer. Let me do that one more time. Clear this up. I press, if I want to find the inverse of that matrix A, second matrix. Click on that matrix, and then put this hat or this symbol to the power of -1. Boom, done. You're done. That's your inverse of a 3 by 3. Very simple. Let's say I want to compute, I want to do the dot product, right? I need to do matrix multiplication. In order to have matrix multiplication, they have to have the same dimensions, right? Since I have a 3 by 3 here, I'm going to stick with a 3 by 3. So I'm going to multiply a 3 by 3 times a 3 by 3, right? So if you do that, you go second matrix. Actually, let me clear this up first. Okay, second matrix. I'm going to choose the first one, right? And then I'm going to put times second matrix. I already have another matrix, right? I have B. Okay, so I can click on that, and that will give me the matrix multiplication or the dot product, right? Row 1, column 1, row 1, column 2, row 1, column 3, and so on and so on and so on, right? Let's say I want to compute both that they're exactly the same. I want to multiply A times A. Same thing, right? Let me clear this up. Second matrix A, right? Times second matrix. Enter that again, and that will give me the dot product or the matrix multiplication. As long as they have the same dimension, you can do that, right? So what else we need to compute? I mean, that's pretty much it, right? That's all the only thing I need to do. Well, I show you how to do reduce row echelon form. I show you how to use row echelon form. I show you how to compute the determinant. I show you how to compute the inverse. I show you how to do matrix multiplication in this calculator. You can also do addition and subtraction. Let me show you how to do that. So for example, I press second matrix. Let me clear this up first. I always forget this. So second matrix, let's choose matrix A, and then plus matrix B, second matrix, and matrix B should be this one. Click on that. That's it. That's matrix addition, right? Now, if I want to do subtraction, clear this up. Second matrix, I think it's common sense at this point, but just in case you didn't get it, minus second matrix B, and you get your value, right? So you now know how to do multiplication, addition, and subtraction, right? Okay. Let's see. Yeah, that's basically yeah, that's basically it. So if you need more help, please let me know. You see, I'm doing this for you, just in case you think, oh, he don't want to help me or whatever. I want to help you all the time. I'm thinking about you to help you. Don't think I don't want to help you. I always want to help you every single time. Even to tomorrow is my birthday. I'm still working right now. What time is it? Right now it's 11:40. So I'm still working. You see, if you want to say happy birthday to me, you can do that tomorrow. Okay, you can just say, Mr. Flores, happy birthday. If you don't want to do that, you hate me too much. That's fine. I hope you understand this explanation. I think it's straightforward. If you still don't get it, please let me know. Have a nice day. Bye.